When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal of your home in Ferndale, Michigan, the exterior of your house plays a pivotal role in making a lasting first impression. Among the many elements that contribute to the visual appeal of your home, one feature stands out as both functional and stylish: the front door. A new door can completely transform your home's look, offering both aesthetic and practical benefits. First impressions matter. The front door is often the first thing people notice when they approach your home. Whether you're hosting a gathering, selling your home, or simply greeting visitors, the door is the focal point. A fresh, new door can significantly enhance your home's first impression. Whether you choose a bold, modern design or a classic, timeless style, the door sets the tone for the rest of the house. If your current door is worn, outdated, or has seen better days, a replacement can breathe new life into your property. Imagine walking up to a beautifully crafted door made of high-quality materials, one that complements your home's overall architecture. It immediately conveys a sense of pride and ownership and makes guests feel more welcome. Boosting property value. Investing in a new front door isn't just about looks, it's also a smart financial decision. A stylish and well-maintained door adds instant value to your home, especially if you're thinking of selling. According to the National Association of Realtors 2021 report, a new front door provides an impressive return on investment, with homeowners recovering a significant portion of their cost when selling. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated exteriors, and a new door can increase your property's appeal and even encourage faster sales. In Ferndale, where the real estate market is growing, every detail counts. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or just want to enjoy the benefits of a beautiful home, upgrading your front door is an investment that can pay off in the long run. Enhancing security and energy efficiency. While curb appeal is a priority, your front door also serves a functional purpose. A new door can improve your home's security and energy efficiency, making it not only a visual asset but also a practical one. Modern doors come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, making your home more secure. Whether you opt for a solid steel door, a composite design, or a sturdy wood door with modern locks, your home will be safer and more secure with an upgraded entryway. Energy efficiency is another key factor. Older doors, especially those with worn weather stripping or outdated materials, can let cold air in during the winter or allow cool air to escape during the summer. This leads to higher energy bills and an uncomfortable home environment. Newer doors, particularly those with energy-efficient features like insulation and double-glazed glass, can help regulate the temperature in your home, keeping you comfortable year-round and saving you money on utilities. Personalizing your space. A new door also offers an opportunity to personalize your home's entryway. With a wide range of materials, colors, and styles available, you can create a door that reflects your personality and taste. Whether you prefer the elegance of a traditional wood door, the sleekness of modern fiberglass, or the durability of steel, the choice is yours. You can further customize your door with decorative glass inserts, side lights, or a stylish handle and hardware to make it uniquely yours. Adding a fresh coat of paint or opting for a door in a bold color can make a dramatic statement. Whether you're aiming for a classic look with a rich wood finish or a contemporary touch with a brightly colored door, the right choice can complement your landscaping and enhance the overall style of your home. Easy and cost-effective transformation. Compared to other home improvement projects, replacing a front door is a relatively simple and cost-effective way to boost your home's appeal. The process typically takes only a few hours, and there is minimal disruption to your daily routine. Plus, with the wide variety of doors available at different price points, it's possible to find an option that fits your budget without compromising on style or quality. If you're ready to transform your home's curb appeal, start by considering the front door as an essential element of the makeover. Whether you're in Ferndale for the long haul or preparing to sell, a new door will not only boost your home's attractiveness but also enhance its functionality, security, and energy efficiency. Conclusion. In Ferndale, where charming homes and vibrant neighborhoods define the area, your front door is an essential part of your home's personality. By investing in a new door, you can instantly elevate your curb appeal, add value to your property, improve your home's security and energy efficiency, and personalize your space. A new front door is more than just an entryway, it's a statement of style, function, and care. Ready to make your Ferndale home stand out? Consider upgrading your door and enjoy the transformation.